How to download and set up DeepSeek AI Assistant on Android. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up the DeepSeek AI Assistant on your Android device. Start by opening the Play Store. In the search bar, type DeepSeek, then select DeepSeek AI Assistant from the results. Tap the Install button and wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, open the app and accept the terms by clicking the Agree button. Next, choose Sign in with Google, select your Google account, and you're all set. Your DeepSeek AI Assistant is now ready to use. Let's try a simple prompt "Hi, who are you?" and see the response. Thanks for watching. If you're excited to try the DeepSeek AI Assistant, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.